Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Dr. Abha Khetrapal and today we are focusing into something that can truly transform your career. Simple yet powerful habits that can make all the difference. Whether you are just starting out or looking to take your career to the next level, these habits are game changers. So let's get into it. Let us start with something that sounds basic but is super important: how you start your day. Ever heard of the saying, win the morning, win the day? It's true. The way you kick on your mornings makes the difference the entire day. And it's my personal experience. For instance, when I start my day, I start it with a clear plan. I do a bit of exercises, how much I can do, some meditation to improve my focus and all. Try waking up just 30 minutes earlier than usual. Use this time to plan your day. Do something that energizes you and sets a positive intention. Trust me, it would be really beneficial. And next is the habit that can make you stand out in any field, that is continuous learning. The world is changing fast, and the skills that were relevant 5 years ago might not be today. That's why it's crucial to keep learning and growing. Take the example of Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. He is known for his love of reading and learning. Even with his busy schedule, he makes time to read books and stay updated to the latest trends in technology. This habit of Satya Nadella has played a significant role in his leadership and innovation at Microsoft. You don't have to read the whole book every week or enroll in expensive courses. Start small. Maybe read an article a day, listen to a podcast on your way to work, or take a free online course on a topic that interests you. The key is consistency. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: networking and building strong relationships. You might have heard that your network is your net worth, and it's absolutely true. The connections you build can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine once was struggling to find a job in her field. She started attending industry events and connected with people on LinkedIn. Through one of these connections, she learned about job opening that wasn't even advertised. She applied, got an interview, and landed into her dream job. So this shows how important networking can be. So make it a habit to connect with new people in your industry, attend events, join online groups, or even reach out to someone on LinkedIn with simple message. Remember, it's not about what others can do for you, but how you can add value to their lives. Another habit that can significantly boost your career is effective time management and prioritization. We all have the same 24 hours a day, but how we use them makes all the difference. Think about Elon Musk, who is known for his intense work schedule. He splits into his he splits his day into 5 minute slots and prioritizes tasks that align with his long term goals. While you don't have to go to that extreme, adopting a structured approach to your time can help you get more done. Start by identifying your important tasks, the ones that will have the most impact on your career. Focus on completing those first before moving to the less critical activities. Use tools like to do lists, calendars, or time management apps to stay on the track. Last but not the least, cultivate the habit of being adaptable and open to change. The only constant in life and in your career is change. Being flexible and willing to adapt can help you navigate through uncertainties and seize new opportunities. For instance, during pandemic, many businesses had to pivot quickly to stay afloat. Those who were open to change and adapted their strategies, whether it was models, managed to survive and even thrive. Embrace change as an opportunity to learn and grow. When faced with a new situation, instead of resisting, ask yourself, how can I make most of it? This mindset will not only help you in your career, but in your life as well. So, there you have it, 5 powerful habits that can transform your career. Start your day right, keep learning, network, manage your time well, and be adaptable. These habits might seem simple, but when practiced consistently, they can lead to amazing results. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And let me know in the comments, what habit are you going to start today? I love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.